Hello, you're watching the Star News Update. I'm Aaron Raj. The number of recorded influenza A H1N1 cases has dipped slightly, with 34 new cases reported. Health Minister Datuk Sri Liao Tiong Lai says that out of these new cases, 22 were imported while 12 were locally transmitted.
Daripada 468 jumlah pesakit influenza A H1N1 yang disahkan, sejumlah 335 kes, 72% daripada mereka telah sembuh dan telah discharge daripada hospital. Baki yang dirawat di hospital hanya tinggal 133.
He says 1,031 people are undergoing home quarantine and none of them showed any flu symptoms. Liao was speaking at a press conference in Putrajaya after witnessing a handover ceremony of the mobile blood donation vehicle to the National Blood Bank Tuesday. Earlier in his speech at the same event, Liao said only 2% of the Malaysian population have been donating blood. Although the percentage is lower than the expected 5% set by the World Health Organization, the Health Minister says it is sufficient to meet the demands of the country.
Now in our blood bank we have enough blood. So because the blood only can store about 42 days. So there is no point we overshoot it so high, then
So you have to pace
then we have to pace it out. Whenever we are short of blood, then we quickly move our unit out and collect more.
Syarikat NCB Holdings Berhad contributed the first mobile blood donation vehicle to the National Blood Bank. The vehicle will allow mobility in organising blood donation campaign, which will increase the amount of blood collected by the National Blood Bank. Deputy Science, Technology and Innovation Minister Fadila Yusof says there has been a 50% increase in reported cases of cybersecurity infringement since 2008. He says that from January to May this year, 1,247 cybersecurity cases were reported to Cybersecurity Malaysia. This is a 25% increase from the same period last year. Among cases reported have been categorized as intrusion, use of malicious code, fraud, harassment and spam. He said this after launching the Cyber 999 Help Center, a response center for the public to report such internet-related problems. A 29-year-old woman faces the possibility of being fined 40 million ringgit after a karaoke set preloaded with 20,000 pirated songs was seized from her electrical appliance shop in Bukit Mertajam. The amount is calculated based on a minimum 2,000 ringgit fine for each infringed copy if the woman is found guilty under Section 41(1) of the Copyright Act 1987. The woman is said to be the shop owner's daughter. She also faces a jail sentence of up to 5 years if found guilty under the same section. For more updates, log on to thestaronline.tv. I'm Aaron Raj. Thanks for watching.